Today is the day we say, Doctors, Tujhe Salam. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be addressing the medical fraternity today at 3 p.m. to mark the National Doctors' Day in the country amid the coronavirus pandemic. Ahead of the address, PM Modi already has put out a statement on social media site Twitter, thanking doctors. And in the tweet, PM says, and I quote here, India's stride in the world of medicine are commendable and have contributed to making our planet healthier, unquote. The event is being organized by the Indian Medical Association. Now remember, amid the COVID pandemic, at least since March 2020, Prime Minister has clearly praised the contribution of these doctors and other frontline workers, because these doctors and medical professionals have been fighting this battle and risking their life every single day to keep people around them, you and I, safe and healthy. Prime Minister Modi has also decided to thank the medical fraternity for helping the country fight two deadly waves of coronavirus in India. So let's listen in now first to what Prime Minister Modi had said about the Doctors' Day in his monthly program Mann Ki Baat this time.
कोरोना काल में डॉक्टर्स के योगदान के हम सब आभारी हैं। हमारे डॉक्टर्स ने अपनी जान की परवाह न करते हुए हमारी सेवा की है। इसलिए इस बार नेशनल डॉक्टर्स डे और भी खास हो जाता है। साथियों, मेडिसिन की दुनिया के सबसे सम्मानित लोगों में से एक हिपोक्रेट्स ने कहा था, Wherever the art of medicine is loved, there is also a love of humanity. यानी जहां आर्ट ऑफ मेडिसिन के लिए प्रेम होता है, वहां मानवता के लिए भी प्रेम होता है। डॉक्टर्स इसी प्रेम की शक्ति से ही हमारी सेवा कर पाते हैं।
साल से डॉक्टर जो हैं इस लड़ाई में लड़ रहे हैं और हमें अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए कि उन्होंने कितना काम किया है। उन डॉक्टर्स को याद करना चाहिए जिन्होंने इस लड़ाई में अपनी जान दे दी, और उनको याद करते हुए हमें ये सोचना चाहिए कि हमें ऐसे सिचुएशन क्रिएट करनी है कि आगे इतने ज़्यादा केसेस ना बढ़ें, चाहे कोविड अप्रोप्रिएट बिहेवियर हो, चाहे वैक्सीनेशन हो, उसको हम पूरी तरह से आगे लेके जाएं, जिससे हॉस्पिटल्स पे स्ट्रेन कम पड़े और एडमिशन्स कम हो और डॉक्टर्स पे स्ट्रेन कम पड़े।
To give you an example about how the doctors are really working beyond their duty hours, a Bengaluru-based doctor has been providing free medical service to COVID-19 patients who message him for help and aid, and on popular messaging app, the WhatsApp. He then receives the message, goes ahead to provide service to these patients by traveling in his personal vehicle, which he has turned into a mobile clinic. Take a look at this news report.
Dr. Sunil Kumar Hebbi hardly has time to sleep. His phone rings off the hook as people call him and send WhatsApp messages for help. After working from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. in the BBMP COVID clinic on a contract basis, he's up and about driving his car to a clinic across the city.
Night shift, I'm working with BBMP, night shift.
Okay.
Yeah, morning up to morning 8, night 8 to morning 8.
And then you start this?
Yeah.
When do you rest?
Yeah, 2 hours I rest, 10 o'clock I start. Yeah.
Okay, and how many patients have you treated so far?
As of now, 200 plus patients we treated.
Past
Every
20
day,
days?
yeah, past 20 days.
Dr. Sunil provides free medical service to people who have mild COVID symptoms. He visits patients based on their condition. His priorities are senior citizens with mild symptoms, those who cannot venture out and are staying alone.
The patient is having breathlessness problem and his saturation is going down 85, 90 like that. He is in touch with me on video consultation, and I said I will visit him. He said, please urgent, it's needed, you can visit me. I visited there, and both daughter and her father is both are positive.
People contact him mainly through WhatsApp by leaving messages about their health condition.
People will contact me through WhatsApp only. I said many calls are getting calls every day, 100 and 150 calls. But I said many patients, share your complete basic details, patient information. I can WhatsApp you, I can reply you on that. If it is needed, I will visit your home.
Dr. Hebbi drives around the city, and no distance is too far to help patients. He even carries equipment in his car like an ECG machine, oxygen concentrator, and medicines for his patients.
So this is the mobile doctor clinic where every life counts. So in case of any emergency and you cannot step out, head to a hospital or even to a clinic, all you have to do is call that number or even just send him a WhatsApp and Dr. Sunil Kumar will respond to you. Well, yet another initiative by an individual in Bengaluru to help the common man in these difficult times. With video journalist Shivamurthy Gurmat, Nolan Pinto for India Today.
मैंने भगवान का चेहरा नहीं देखा। इतने सारे शरीरों में भी वो एक जैसे दिखाई देते हैं। कभी लगते हैं गणेश, गले में सों जैसा आला टांगे वो धड़कनें गिनते रहते हैं। कभी ईसा की तरह सर पे रख देते हैं राहत भरा हाथ। सूफियों के ताबीज की तरह जादू करती हैं उनकी दवाएं। नानक की तरह वो कानों को हौसले से भर देते हैं। अष्टभुजाओं का बल, दुर्गा सा कौशल और बुद्ध जैसा धैर्य पहने हैं भगवान। अपने इस भगवान का मैंने चेहरा नहीं देखा। इतने सारे शरीरों में भी वो एक जैसे दिखाई देते हैं। जूझते को उम्मीद देते हैं, जीतते को बधाई और हारते को कंधा। संभालते हैं टूटती चीजें, इलाज, सांस, घर, उम्मीद, सब। वो कृष्ण की तरह डूबे हैं प्रेम और सेवा में। मुझे मेरे जैसे कितने ही घर बचाने के लिए भगवान आजकल घर नहीं जाते। चेहरा नहीं देखा मैंने अपने भगवान का, लेकिन धरती पर अगर कहीं भगवान है तो वो ये ही है।